Welcome to the third International Conference on Health, Wellness, and Society, being hosted March 15, 2013 in Brazil. I am Gloria McNamara, and I am presenting research on the effect of computerized feedback on college students' dietary self-efficacy, knowledge, beliefs, and practices. It is hypothesized that yes, it does. This research is grounded in social cognitive theory. The tenets of this theory are the following. First, behaviors are influenced by personal factors. Personal factors such as self-efficacy and outcome expectations are known to motivate individuals to initiate behavior change. Whereas self-regulatory processes such as monitoring and making adjustments are known to help one maintain those behavior changes. Computerized dietary analysis can provide accurate and comprehensive feedback that may lead to strategic dietary adjustments such that a person's eating practices and food consumption will be impacted and in turn impact health. The procedures involved recruiting subjects, obtaining consent forms. 33 community college students consented to participation. Half were male, the other half female. 1/3 were Hispanic, 1/3 Black, and 1/3 white. And these subjects we distributed to these subjects pre-test measures for self-efficacy, nutrition knowledge, dietary beliefs, and food consumption practices. Following this, the participants were trained on how to complete a 24-hour dietary recall, then trained on how to input this information using the food processor computer software. Following training on 3 separate occasions over a 6-week time period, students used the computer software, input their own personal menus, received a computer printout of the nutritional assessment, thus enabling them to make dietary adjustments. At the conclusion, on the 6th week, post-test on self-efficacy, dietary beliefs, food consumption, and nutrition knowledge were again administered. The measurements included a questionnaire on dietary self-efficacy. An example of one of the statements on this survey includes, I am confident I can reduce the amount of trans fat in my diet when choosing a spread for my foods. The participant using a Likert scale indicated a level of agreement. Strongly disagree to strongly agree. Another questionnaire was assessing nutrition knowledge. It was a multiple choice type of survey. An example includes, carbohydrates are mainly used by the body for A, energy, B, muscle cell structure, and C, insulation. Dietary beliefs were also assessed using statements. A statement such as, I believe diet influences health outcomes to a large extent was posed, and then the student would have to indicate their level of agreement. And a food consumption survey was administered as well. This was adapted from the American Cancer Society survey and posed questions such as, how often do you eat poultry and fish? And the answers ranged from rarely, twice per week, 3 times or more per week. The 24-hour dietary recall asked the participant to record what they ate and the amounts that they ate backwards within the past 24 hours. And then the 24-hour diet was analyzed using food processor software. The results showed that the mean of all of the post-test measures increased, so that there was an increase in dietary self-efficacy, there was an increase in nutrition knowledge, there was an increase reflecting stronger beliefs that diet impacts health, and there was an increase in food consumption scores reflecting healthier food habits. Paired difference t-test analysis was conducted, which showed that these changes were significant in each of the constructs: self-efficacy, nutrition knowledge, dietary beliefs, and food consumption practices. So in conclusion, it appears that the use of computer software positively impacts college students' dietary self-efficacy, nutrition knowledge, beliefs, and food consumption practices. Using the computer software or other technology such as that could enable monitoring and feedback that helps individuals make dietary adjustments that can impact positively their health. For further information about this study, you may contact me at gmcnamara@bmcc.cuny.edu. Thank you.